Hey guys, welcome to another video of LeetCode problem solving. Let's continue solving the SQL 50. Now, in last video, I asked you to read through basic joins. So I hope you did that because today we'll be doing basic joins question. Let's do a simple select question first up. All right, question 1683, invalid tweets. Tweet ID is the primary key for this table. This table contains all the tweets in a social media app. Write a solution to find IDs of invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of tweet is strictly greater than 15. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Alright, so basically in this question, we have to check the length of the tweet. Like this tweet, if it's great longer than 15 characters, then the tweet is called invalid and we return it, we print it. So for this question, we'll make use of length function and that should be more than enough. Yeah, that should be enough. We'll use length on this content. So let's first off prepare our basic select. We only need to print out tweet ID, right? Tweet ID from tweets, table name is tweets, where length of content is greater than 15. This should do the trick. A test case was accepted. Let's submit this. Let's submit it again. Let's judge it. Wow. Okay, never mind. Moving on to the next question. Now we are gonna start with joins question. So hopefully, again, if you haven't studied anything yet for joins, what I recommend you to do is over here type W3 schools, scroll down here a bit. Actually, sorry, not you don't need to do that. Up here, you'll see MySQL. Go in MySQL and over here, these four pages, no, inner over here to here. These are join related topics, so go through that. Anyways, let's continue with the question now. ID, we have two tables, employee unique. ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of an employee in a company. ID, unique ID is the primary key. Combinations of column with unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and corresponding unique ID of an employee in the company. Write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If user does not have unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result table in any order. Result format is in the following example. Let's go through examples to understand it better. Alright, so over here we'll be performing left join on our employees table. So basically what that will do is it will print out all the name. It will link the unique ID. So let me just open not notepad, print. I don't open it in full screen. So this is our employees table. This is our employees uni table. There is some overlap, right? What join will do is it will print out this area. Why am I doing that? Let's use the fill. It will print out this area and the overlap between them, but it will leave out this one. So let's dive right into it. Select E dot, okay, not E dot though, EU. EU over here will stand for employees uni. E dot uni ID, comma, E dot name from. In from clause, you left mention your table one, that is employees, and then you mention the type of join you want to perform. Left join employee uni. Employees is E, employees uni is EU, where now you mention the common column between them. E dot ID equals to EU dot ID. Table 1's ID equals to table 2's ID. So this should give us the correct result, hopefully. We have an error. Oh, oops, oops, oops. My silly mistakes is gonna be end of me. So for joins, you use on the column that you want to perform the join on. Yeah, I know. These silly mistakes, we need to fix that only, right? Let's submit this again. Runtime will be better, hopefully. How are we getting the worst case runtimes, man? How are we doing that? And how are we even beating anyone? Okay. Anyway, let's move on to the next question. Product sales analysis. We have sales table, we have product table. In sales table, the primary key is sales ID and year. Product ID is the foreign key. And so basically, these are the products and these are the sales of that particular product in year. Note that the price is per unit. Oh, price is per unit. Okay. Write a solution to report the product name, year, and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Let's look at example to understand it better. Product name, year, price for each sale ID in the sales table. For each sale ID. Now this is a simple join. In fact, we don't even need to use join in this one. Also, this is the type of join in this case. Write down in comment section what you think the most optimal type of join is for this table. Let's do that. Selects what all product name, right? P dot product name, and then from this table s dot year, comma, price, I guess. Price. S dot price from, let's take it to the next line, from, and left table is gonna be sales S, and the join we want to use is inner join over here. I'll explain it to you in a second why we are using inner join. And in inner join, you might think, Gaurav, why didn't you add on over here? Write a solution to report the product name, year, and price. Sale ID is 127. The input, why are we getting? I guess this thing is getting a bit confused. It's supplied with on. Uh, S dot product ID equals to P dot product ID. I think I understand why it's giving error. Alright, mm, so yeah, basically over here we need to mention the column that we are performing the join on. Anyways, thanks for watching, and that's it for this video. I'll be posting the rest of these questions. I'll bifurcate them into solving two each. Oh, we didn't submit this. Let's submit this. Okay, I was saying I'll try to submit. I'll try to make videos on two at a time in a single day. Yes, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.